Hi, and welcome to Pioneer Imports and Wholesale Company. If you're new to our website, here are some quick tips to help you get started shopping. Remember, Pioneer is a business-to-business only company. We do not sell to retail customers. Be sure to check the top of our website for important shipping information, including our current shipping window. To get started shopping, you can find our top categories above our banner, or as you scroll down. You can also find what's on sale and what's new here at Pioneer. To start browsing the categories, you can either hover over the words to view subcategories, or click on the category that best suits your needs. In order to help simplify the shopping experience, Pioneer has added categories such as Shop Flowers by color and Shop Flowers by type. As you find the items you're looking for, select it to view additional information. You can view if that item comes in multiple colors, and pricing information, such as if you want to buy in box or case quantities. Please remember those prices only apply if you buy that amount of a single color. If you scroll down, you can also find additional description details. If you would like to see the product better, hover over the photo to zoom in on details, or click the photo to pull up a full image. For ideas of product application, be sure to look for additional design photos. To return, click Exit Zoom. If you choose an item that's not available, we will try to have an estimated availability date to let you know when those items are expected to arrive. When you make your final selection, you can add the quantity you want and add it to your cart. If you click on the shopping bag icon at the top, you can view or edit your cart or go to checkout. Now you're ready to check out. If you've ordered previously on our website, fill in the email address and password associated with your account. If you've forgotten your password, click Forgot Your Password. If you've never ordered with Pioneer, you'll need to create an account. You'll be asked for additional information that'll help us get you started as a Pioneer customer. If you have questions or need additional assistance, remember Pioneer is here to help. Feel free to contact us by phone, email, or chat online with an agent. Thank you for shopping with Pioneer Imports and Wholesale Company.